Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to show you how you can definitely make $6,000 per month with PancakeSwap's Yield Pools. So guys, if you're new to the channel and you think you might enjoy the content that I create for the long term, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to follow me on Twitter here as well. You can find the link to it in the description below this video. I like to talk about altcoins, NFTs, day trading strategies, staking strategies, all kinds of good crypto stuff on a daily basis. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow. So guys, we're going to learn how to make money on PancakeSwap today, okay? Specifically $6,000. Now you're probably thinking, why $6,000? Well, I mean, here's the thing. 5,000 is just boring, and it's just a number everybody uses. So we're going to go with 6,000 just to make things interesting here. Now here's the thing, you guys. It's not going to take as much as you think to be able to make $6,000 a month, realistically. Now here's the thing. The amount that it would take to get there is about, a lot of people have this amount in their savings account. And it's not, when it's sitting in their savings account, it's not making any money for them. So, I mean, realistically here, when you dot the two I's together, I mean, you can clearly see that you can make some pretty good money here, and I'll show you that in a little bit here. So realistically here, you guys, overall, this is a very, very risky type of thing to do, okay? I just want to say that. I want to be honest with you here right up front. This is very, very risky. This is something that should only be done if you absolutely have 100% confidence and if you feel like you can afford to lose if you do lose it, okay? So I just wanted to point that out there. So guys, the very first thing we're going to do is we want to open PancakeSwap, okay? So obviously it's high risk, high reward. Remember that. But go to pancakeswap.finance, okay? So that's where we're going to be going, and that's what we're going to be doing. Now what you want to do is you want to go to earn and then click on pools, okay? You're going to go up to their syrup pools, just stake some tokens and earn high APR with low risk. Well, they say low risk, but I mean, come on, let's be honest here, you guys. Now, you're probably looking at these and you're probably seeing all these really high APR rates, okay? And, honestly, they are pretty darn high, okay? But the biggest one here that a lot of people always do, that a lot of people seem to really like, is staking Cake. Cake is PancakeSwap's token, okay? That's their own token, and you can stake their token for, as you can see right now at the time of me filming this video, it's 184%. That is a lot of percent, okay? But the caveat here is there's a difference between flexible APY and locked APY, okay? So flexible APY is going to be for people who they might not trust it very much, and they may want to take their money out at some point in time, within 1 to 6 months or something like that. And you're able to do that with when you're staking with the flexible APY. Okay, with the locked APY, you are pretty much delegating your funds for a fixed amount of time. Okay. And as we can see here, you guys, you can lock it up for a week, 5 weeks, 10 weeks, 25 weeks, or 52 weeks. But here's the thing. In order to get this 184%, you are going to have to lock it up for the largest amount possible, which would be 52 weeks, okay? Which is why I'm going off of the number of $6,000 per month, because it's easier to figure out, okay? And you'll see why in just a minute here. So I want to show you guys real quick, just real quick here. Here, let me grab my calculator. So let's say you've got $10,000, okay? Now this has nothing to do with the whole $6,000 a month thing, okay? We're just doing a basic small example here. So let's say you got $10,000, okay? So 10,000, 10, 1, 2, 3, you get $10,000, all right? By the end of the 52 weeks, at the end of making 184%, you're gonna come out with an extra $18,400, okay? So realistically here at the very end, you're gonna have your return on your investment plus your original investment. So you're gonna have roughly $28,000, $24.4 thousand, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and divide that by 12, you guys. And that would be roughly about, you'd be making about roughly $2,300 a month. You would be making roughly about $2,300 a month just for staking $10,000 worth of Cake tokens. So realistically here, you guys, as you can start to see, it doesn't take much to be able to make a decent ROI staking your Cake tokens here. So now this is what I really want to show you, okay? So realistically here, if you want to make $6,000 a month every single month, so based on the current rate at 184% APY, Okay, guys, this is based on the current rates. Okay, so if you're watching this 3 months down the road after I film this or something like that, and the rates are higher or lower, it's going to take a lot less or a lot higher, or a lot less or a lot lower amount to be able to stake to make that amount. But you'll see what I'm getting at here in a minute. So in order to make $6,000 right now, you guys, per month, you would roughly have to, let's see, I think it was $28,000 that I figured out. So realistically, it'd be roughly about $28,000. Okay, I think so. Let me just check that. So really, you'd come out with a return on your investment of $51,500, $51,500, and then we'll go ahead and add your additional your original principal of $28,000. So you'd have so you'd roughly in the end you'd have about $79,000. Okay, realistically. All right. Now we go ahead and divide that by 12, you guys. And there we go. You would be making roughly about $6,600 per month every single month, okay? Based on these current rates. Realistically here, it would only take $28,000. A lot of people have that amount in their savings account, you guys, and it's not earning anything in their savings account whatsoever. So if you're okay with risk and you can afford the risk, hey, I would personally go ahead and do something like this, because you can turn it around and, hey, turn it around after 1 year, turn your 28,000 into 79,000. I mean, geez, who wouldn't do that? That's like you'd have to be pretty dumb to not do that. I mean, to be honest with you. And honestly, if you go ahead and turn it around and do it for a second year after that, I mean, it could turn into even a lot more. So realistically here, now we'll talk about it from a token basis. Okay, so obviously you're going to come out with $66,600 on a monthly basis, with an initial principal of $28,000 staked, okay? So let's talk about it from a token basis, okay? Because you're not just going to earn off of your APY rate, okay? You're also going to be earning based on your tokens going up in value as well. So if, the Cake token is appreciating in value as, throughout this entire year, then that's when you really start to make good money. So let's see here, okay? PancakeSwap, as far as we know, PancakeSwap has gone all the way up to like 42 some dollars, okay? So just for fun here, let's just average it out and say, let's say PancakeSwap goes to $30, okay? So let's say PancakeSwap goes to $30, and we'll take our tokens that we make. So our original token amount would be 3,573, okay? So 3,573, and we're going to add the additional tokens that we made from staking, so which would be 6,574, and we would have 10,100, and we'll just say 10,150. So you'd have 10,150 tokens, okay? Now, this is at the end of that 1 year. Now, let's say, you guys, during that year, Cake actually went back up to its $30 level, okay? So we go ahead and multiply this by $30, you guys. Realistically, instead of $79,000, we would roughly have about $304,000 instead. So this is where the big money is, you guys. This is when you see people talking about how they have a lot of money in crypto, this is how they're doing it, you guys. This is exactly how they're doing it. This is just one way, I should say, actually. And it's really not that hard. It's really, really not. I mean, you can take $28,000. Within 12 months, it can easily be turned into $304,000, or it can possibly turn into $304,000. If obviously if it goes up, obviously. Then hey, you're going to come out on top and you're going to make a lot. Now, if it goes down and let's say the price goes down, let's say instead of $7, it's down at $5, then obviously you're going to lose some money. But if you hold on to those same amount of tokens for the long term, just continue to hold on to them for the long term until Cake goes back up in the future, and you'll do just fine, you guys, in the long term. It's really that easy. It's not that hard. So as you guys can see, it'll only take $28,000 to be able to stake Cake tokens to be able to make a $6,000 a month return. Now that's locking it in for 52 weeks. So guys, now I want to get to the point of, how you actually get your Cake tokens over to PancakeSwap, okay? So there's multiple different ways you can do this, all right? So obviously we can see here that PancakeSwap, you can currently buy it on, there's other places you can buy it, but most people are buying it on Binance, Gate.io, or KuCoin. For people in the United States, you're going to be buying it on Gate.io or KuCoin. It's pretty much as simple as that. So realistically here, these are the different places you can currently buy it at, all right? Now, what I personally do, you guys, is I don't do it this way, okay? What I usually do is, what I usually do is, since I'm a Coinbase user, I mean, I'm in the United States, so I do have access to Gate.io and KuCoin, but I use Coinbase all the time, so I just stick with Coinbase. It's just easier for me. And what I'll do is I'll go into Coinbase and I will literally just buy, you know, the amount that I want to buy in stable coins, and then I'll send those stable coins over to my Exodus wallet, okay? And then from the Exodus wallet, I will exchange my stable coins into Cake tokens, okay? And then from the Cake tokens, I will send from the Exodus wallet over to my MetaMask wallet, okay? And then let's see here. As we can see here, you guys, you connect to your MetaMask wallet, and then that's how you end up delegating your Cake tokens into the staking pool here. And you guys, it is literally as simple as that, you know? So as you guys can see, it's definitely very possible. It doesn't take as much money as you know, probably thought it would take to be able to, you know, make $6,000 a month every single month. And as you guys can see, you can really make some pretty darn good money from it. But overall, you guys, I feel like I did a pretty good job explaining what I wanted to explain here. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description down below the video. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you all in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.